Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Summer's in full swing and we're going to be making good old-fashioned potato salad. Now I know everyone has their favorite recipe, but I think you're really going to love this one. When I was a kid, my mom would take one extra boiled egg and she'd slice it up and she'd put it on top of the potato salad and she'd sprinkle it with paprika. That's my childhood memory of good old-fashioned potato salad, and that's the way I make it today. I think you're really going to like this dish. It's simple, it's good. You're going to want to make it. Check it out.